Yeah, she's taking videos of me going around, and it's going to be on the website. So this is a little more of an open concept. You see?
I like this one because we have a dog.
Solid surface on the countertop, large farm sink here, 6.5 cubic feet fridge. Entertainment center is on an angle so that we can provide you with a third wardrobe in the master bedroom. You have a convertible U-shaped dinette. This can come down on these pegs here, and you have extra sleeping capacity. This makes almost a queen size bed. Storage underneath, overhead storage compartment over there. Here's storage down here too. Let me show you your bedroom in the front. It's a full queen size bed, 60 by 80. Very easy to access and go around. Third wardrobe there. And I don't know if the dog fits there, but you've got room here, actually blocking for your TV here. The connections are up there. 82-inch ceiling. You have in-ceiling ducting for the air conditioner and in-floor ducting for your heating. This is aluminum construction, R7 insulation, fully enclosed underbelly, heated tanks. So from the furnace, there's actually a heat duct that goes in the underbelly to heat up the tanks. So that extends your camping experience either in the fall or earlier in the spring. When you take a look in the lavy area, you have a nice tub. It's got lots of countertop space. Got a skylight here for light and taller people, not like me.
Same here.
There's a single point where you have all your check-in, your slide-out operations, the lights, awning go in and out. You can check your water levels, DSI hot water heater, and they're high enough so that the kids don't play with them all the time. Outside kitchen. From the outside perspective, when you get out, you know, it's a solid steps. Radius entry door with the window. It's not everybody that will do that for you. Large reinforced screen door, and they're painted, and it's got the kick panel. Sometimes you have a small pet or something, so it gives you extra security there. You'll have an excess of 3,500 pound carrying capacity with these axles. So the average carrying capacity is about 700 pounds. So unless you're a rock collector, that's not gonna be an issue. Your 52-gallon freshwater tank, it's right on top of the axles. A lot of manufacturers put them in the front or in the back. So what happens when you tow, you're gonna have, This is 30 gauge metal instead of 024. So thicker metal, R7 insulation, fully enclosed underbelly, like I explained to you earlier. So it's really well built. It's a cambered chassis so that eventually this trailer is gonna go on the road. So it gives you extra support in the back end. It's got outside outriggers as well to support the floor on the side and the walls from sagging. Electric awning, outside speakers. Connections are all here, in case you want to put TV or something in a radio on the outside. And last but not least, take a look at this. Super storage in the front. Okay, it's massive. We've increased by 30% because of the angle that we have on the trailer. And we're a little higher. So we gave it this kind of angle so that it's a little more aerodynamic. And we've been able to stretch the inside of your bedroom to add a full queen size bed. Solar panel ready is also a key feature that is starting to become, everybody wants to have. Dual 20s in the front, that's really all you need. Corner jacks, and you go to Canadian Tire, you have these, just a 3/4 inch nut, and it's very easy. This just a stabilizing jacking system. Let me get you a brochure. Do you want to sit down in this one or in this one? Hey Dan, that's in brochure. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Dan? Thank you.